Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Just Meta tutorials. Today, we're going to be talking about your dashboard, how you customize your dashboard, and all the fun and types of information you can find here. So when you arrive on our site, the first thing you're going to be at is the dashboard. The dashboard has a lot of information here, right? It has all your notifications. You can change the language. You can view things related to your profile, your pricing, all that up in here, right? So your traditional menu items. But when you come to the screen, the first thing you're going to notice is it welcomes you and it tells you what kind of plan you are on. So as you can see, I'm on a free plan here, but I have the ability to upgrade and get more word count, more images. This is a test account, so I have a little more images and words than your account might have, but it's the same idea. It will tell you how many documents you have created, how many words you've generated, how many images you've done, how much coding you've done, right, and all that. So then down here is a fun part, right? You can save certain chat assistants and you can save some of your favorite templates. So if you find yourself talking to a certain bot more often than not when you're looking for advice or asking it questions, or if you find a template that's very useful. So like here I have article generator, right? So if I want to generate articles, I can just click that instead of having to go through all the different templates we have. We have over 70 templates at launch, so you're going to want to utilize this to keep your favorites close at hand. I have video scripts, I have video titles, video descriptions. So the way that you are able to add to these things is by going to either the templates or the chat, right? So if I go to templates, you're going to see it brings up the whole boatload of templates. And when I click on the star, it saves it as a favorite, which means that it will now show up on my dashboard. If I want to get rid of it, I just unclick it, right? The same thing is true of AI chat. So I can find the personalities that I like, click to add them, or unclick to remove them. It's real simple, and that's going to help you customize that dashboard so everything you need is right there at your fingertips. And then we also have down here a nice little word generation monitor where it will keep track of your words used every day so you know if you have to upgrade or if you're coming close to the end of your cycle. So guys, this was a really quick introduction to the Just Meta dashboard. As you see, there's a whole lot going here. And this is just one page of this product. So if you guys have any questions or anything, please feel free to reach out. We're going to be doing more tutorials as we go through everything from the article wizard all the way down to coding. Thank you and have a great day.